Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Shaboozey here with the song called Vegas. And he's been here with us before. We had, for instance, a bar song, Tipsy. That's a nice song from him. So this time we have Vegas. Okay, so it's a 4-chord song. It plays in the same way through the entire song. We're going to use the capo here and place it on the 1st fret, so we don't have that many bar chords. So that will be the easiest scenario for us to just go with capo on 1st. So with that, we're gonna go over the 4 chords, starting with F sharp minor. So we have a bar chord here on the 2nd fret, and you bar all strings there. And then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. We have the next chord, which is the A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And speaking of E, that's the next chord. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is B minor. So another bar chord here on the 2nd fret. Now you don't have to bar the last E string, just the 5 strings below. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. So there you go. You have all the chords there. F sharp minor, A, to E, and to B minor. All right, so we're going to learn the strumming pattern now. It's a very common one. So if you grab the F sharp minor, which is the 1st chord, it goes like this. So it's down, down to start with. The 1st down, you play more on the bass string to really emphasize what chord you are at and we're playing. So bass, and then the next down, you go down to the higher strings down here, all right? And from there on, you're gonna chew on up, down, up. So like this. And that's the full strumming pattern. So down, down, up, down, up. So you just play in the bass strings, the 1st down, the rest you're gonna play with down here in the mid top area. So bass. Yeah, pretty easy, huh? So you're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord in the same order as we learned the chords. So F sharp, A, E, B minor, 2 string rounds. It sounds like this. And so on. Play and have some fun with it. That's pretty much how I play Shaboozey's Vegas. So hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, play tuned.